In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import product images into WooCommerce. If you've ever had to deal with updating product images for your online store, you know it can be a time-consuming task. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to make this as simple and efficient as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to export your product data, update it with new image URLs, and re-import it seamlessly into your WooCommerce site. So let's get started and make updating your product images a breeze. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Products option on the left-hand menu. Hover over it, and then click on All Products. This is where all your WooCommerce product data is stored and managed. At the top of this page, you'll see an Export button. Go ahead and click on that. When the export options appear, make sure the following settings are selected. First, choose Export All Columns so you capture all the product data, including the image URLs. Next, select Export All Products to ensure no product is left out. Then check the box for Export All Categories, finally. Make sure to select the option that says Yes, Export All Custom Meta. These settings will ensure that your export file includes all the information needed for a smooth import later on. Once you've confirmed these settings, click the Generate CSV button. This will create a CSV file containing your product data. Save this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Now, it's time to upload your new product images to your WordPress media library. To do this, navigate to the Media section in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New. Here, you can drag and drop all the images you want to upload, or you can use the Select Files button to choose them from your computer. Once the images are uploaded, each one will have its own unique URL, which you'll need for the next step. Next, open the CSV file you exported earlier. You can use a program like Excel or Google Sheets for this. Once the file is open, locate the columns that contain the image URLs. These are the links to the old product images currently used on your site. What you'll need to do now is replace each of these old URLs with the new URLs from the media library. To find the URL for a specific image, go back to your media library and click on the image. A panel will appear showing the file details, including the file URL. Copy this URL, then paste it into the appropriate cell in your CSV file. Replacing the old URL, repeat this process for each product image, making sure the right image URL matches the correct product. Once you've updated all the URLs, save the changes to your CSV file. Now, return to the Products section in your WordPress dashboard, and once again, click on All Products. This time, click the Import button at the top of the page. When prompted, upload the updated CSV file you just saved. On the next screen, you'll see a mapping interface. Here, double-check that the Images column in your CSV maps to Product Images in WooCommerce and that Featured Image maps correctly to Featured Image. This step is critical to ensure the images are imported to the right places. Once everything looks good, click the Run the Importer button. WordPress will now process the file and update your product images. This may take some time, especially if you have a large number of products, so be patient. When the import is complete, it's a good idea to verify that everything worked properly. Check a few of your products by visiting the product pages. Make sure the new images appear as expected and are correctly displayed. And that's it. You've successfully imported product images into WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.